Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Hindi Chapter 1 Rakhi Rasi Story Explanation in English. I am going to explain this chapter in English. So first we'll see Rakhi Rasi, meaning of Rakhi Rasi. Rak is ash, Rasi meaning is rope. We'll see the story. This is a story about Tibet minister. So, Lone Pogar, minister of Tibet's 32nd king, Sound Gawasan. So, I'm going to explain in English whatever is given in the screen. And I'll be sharing you the meanings of hard words in the particular screen. Lone Pogar, minister of Tibet, 32nd king, Sound Gawasan. He was widely famous for his smartness and instant reply. Here, Battiswe meaning is 32nd, Hazir Zawabi meaning is spot reply, Mashhoor meaning is famous. No one can stand in front of him. His life was going peace. When his son grew up, he was so sad as he is so innocent, because his son was not clever. One day, Lone Pogar gave 100 sheep to his son and said, "You take this to town, but don't kill or sell them. Bring back with 100 sacks of barley, or otherwise I will not allow you to enter home." He sent his son to town. Here I'll say the hard words from this text. So, chain meaning is peace. Chinta is sad. Bola is innocent. Hoshiari meaning is cleverness. Bede meaning is sheeps. Jau meaning is barley. Boro meaning is sack. Next we'll see what happens. Lone Pogar's son reached town, but he don't have money to buy barley sacks. By thinking of the problem, he sat on the roadside, but there is no solution coming on his mind. He was very sad. By that time, there came a girl and stood beside him. She asked, "What happened? Why are you so sad?" Lone Pogar's son told his situation. She said, "What is there to be sad in this? I would fix the problem." Here, Shahar meaning is city. Sadak Kinare meaning is roadside. Hal meaning is solution. Hal is situation. By saying this, girl removed hair of sheep and sold in the market. With that money, she bought 100 barley sacks and sent back to him. Lone Pogar's son was thinking that his father will be very happy, but he didn't take note of objections. He stood up and left his room. On another day, Lone Pogar called his son and said, "Last time I didn't like at all to remove sheep's hair. Now take these sheep along with you, and also the 100 barley sacks." So here Bazar is market, Sau is 100, Bahut Kush is happy, Dusre Din meaning is next day. So we'll see what happens next. Once again, disappointed, Lone Pogar's son reached town and sat on the same place. He believed that the same girl come and help him. So he's believing that the same girl will come and help him. Same thing happened. He said his difficulty to that girl, "Without barley sacks, my father will not allow me to enter home. One way is there. said girl. She cuts the horns of the sheep and sold it. With that money, she bought barley sacks and sent him back home. So by handing over the sheep and barley sacks, he said all stories to his father. By listening, Lonpagar said to his son to ask that girl to make rope for 9 hands of long ashes. Lonpogar's son gave his father's message to girl. The girl said, but one condition, I will make rope of ashes. Ask your father to wear around his neck. Lonpogar was thinking that it's impossible to make rope of ashes, so he was okay with conditions. So let's see the hard words. Nirasha meaning is disappointed. Sing is horn. Cart is cut. Hawale meaning is handover. Rasi is rope. Next we'll see what happens. Next day, girl took rope and laid on the stone and burnt it. The rope burned, but the size of ashes survived. She stitched and asked him to wear. He was so surprised. He knows wearing a rope of ashes around the neck is difficult to lift. If we touch it, it will break. In front of girl's intelligence, his ingenuity was captured. Without wasting time, he gave marriage proposal of his son to that girl. Both of them got married in great manner. So this is the story of Rakhi Rasi. Rasi Jalgai meaning is rope burnt. Rak is ash. Gale is neck. So this is the story of Rakhi Rasi. Hope this video is understanding. We'll see the textbook solution in the next video. Thank you.